a major chord will sound bright. A minor chord will sound dark. And in art, it's synonymous to art because let's correspond a major chord to, let's say, light. Light will make an object pop. And this is what illustrates, this is how we demonstrate a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface when the object pops. And dark is what surrounds the object. I'm smiling, man, because the Glow TV network, listen to me, it's self-explanatory. You got the Glow, you're on the show. That's it. The Glow TV network is a broadcasting television network. And it's a multinational conglomeration media company that features shows. There are exceptions between art and music. From a compositional standpoint, how to write, compose, I can arrange, I can transpose, I can transcribe, I can read sheet music. I have a fundamental understanding of how music works. And you see a cross-platforming between mutually exclusive domains. Those are just big jargonic terms for, in music we have composition, arrangement. In art we have composition. How you lay out the groundwork, how you lay out the foundation, how you lay out the shades and the colors, how you make an object pop, how you illustrate a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface. Like a major chord